morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and here just mark change wallpapers. You can pick whichever you prefer. You can go through photos from your gallery, from wallpaper services, from on-device wallpapers, just whatever you prefer. And let me pick this doggo. Here you can mark if you want it to cover both lock and home screen or one of them only, then mark next. Just take a look and customize it if you want. You can change the frame also if you want it to look a bit different. Okay, so this one is placed in different way, so we cannot. Okay, now we can have him in the middle of the screen. If you want to add some effects, just mark effect, and here you can add it. And now just mark apply. And then if you want to see home screen as well, just mark home and take a look, do whatever you want with this doggo here or with the picture that you have on screen. And now mark done. Wait a couple of seconds till it is set. And that's it, here it is. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.